Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial video for your Windows PC. And today I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install Sublime Text on your PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser. Any browser will do, but I'm using Google Chrome here. Now on the search option, just search Sublime Text and enter. And you can see on the first search option, the official website is sublimetext.com. Just click the first link here. And here you can see the option download for Windows. Click that option here. And as you can see, my download already start and it's already done. And now right click on that and select show in folder. And after that, just double click here to install and click yes again. I will minimize all of this. And here you can see my Sublime application will install in program files. You can also change it by clicking this browse option. Just click next again. And now select this one and select next again. And again install. And as you can see, my installation process is already began. It will take a few seconds to completely install it on your PC. And as you can see, my installation process is finished. Now click finish here. Now go to your search option and here search Sublime Text and double click it on the application icon. And as you can see, my Sublime Text application is open. This is their interface. Now you can start using your Sublime Text application. So this is the video and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel and I will see you guys on the next video.